So hey, I'm ready to go to work. Yay! And by any chance, if you see me out there and then you realize that yes, this bitch be repeating the same sweaters, mind your own business. Please, a sweater is 40 euros. I don't have endless amount of money. So yeah, that's the message I came to say as I get dressed and finally head to work. Whew, bye. I think I'm better. Okay, in lieu of my camera dying and refusing to charge, I think it's just the battery, but I'm gonna send it back to the company so that they can figure it out, because I still have 1 and 2. Anyway, that's beside the point. I was rushing to finish this so that we can talk, so that's beside the point. What was the point again? Oh, in lieu of my camera dying and me feeling really crappy about it, I decided to state 5 things that I'm grateful for, especially since the year is coming to an end. This has been such a long year and I can't believe so many things have happened to me. First, I was broke, like dead broke in the middle of the year. I was like, I didn't have any money to pay my rent. I didn't have any money to pay health insurance. I didn't have even money to renew my residence permit. Like, there was a point in my life I was like, what the fuck am I doing? I'm 32 and I'm so broke. I don't have anything.
Hide the money, y'all. There's poor people around.
Then I want to thank my friends. I don't really know what I would have done in my life without my friends. My friends came through. One of them just like gave me money for 1 month expenses, and I was like, thank you, babe. So I already paid them back when I got the job, but I'm so grateful for that. And also, like, I got a job like 2 months after, so for like 2 months was like deep struggle, and I'm not really like a sharing person, so I never really shared about that. So one thing I'm really grateful for is the fact that I got a job. It's not my dream job, not at all, because I'm currently working as a waitress. It's not my dream job, but it pays my bills and it gives me an opportunity to keep looking for corporate jobs. So second thing I'm grateful for is I got a chance to interview as a data science intern analyst. I probably didn't get the job because they haven't gotten back to me, but I've not lost hope. So that's the second thing I'm really grateful for. What am I grateful for? Third thing, I'm grateful that I'm healthy and I'm alive and I have a chance to try again next year in 2025. We're gonna be hotter, we're gonna be smarter, we're gonna be braver, and we're gonna go after our dreams in 2025. Nothing is gonna hold us back. We are coming for you, 2025. Okay, fourth thing I'm grateful for, that was 4 or 5. Okay, the other thing I'm grateful for is God. I don't really talk about God in my channel, but I am really thankful to him because so many things happen, but then I sit back down and I'm like, maybe this is God's plan, maybe it's meant to happen. I'm not really a church person, but I do believe strongly in God, and I believe that his way is always like the right way, and I just have to be patient and everything will work out. I'm not preaching. Okay, are those 5 things I'm grateful for? So I was like, yeah, I might be complaining right now about not having a camera, but my life is kind of coming together finally, and I can finally see the light at the end of the tunnel, and I'm really grateful. So I'm not gonna complain. I'm gonna take my ass to the Sony website and I'm gonna apply for a warranty, and I'm gonna take my camera and they're gonna fix it and send it back to me, and I claim that positive energy in the name of Jesus. Oh my God, have I turned into those kind of preachers? I'm sorry. Okay, let's start this vlog. Yay! Okay. I'm just from the gym. I'm just from the gym. I did 30 minutes incline walking and 10 minutes on the Stairmaster. That's all the time I could get because I currently have 40 minutes to shower, get dressed, do my makeup, do everything, and rush to class before I'm late, because this teacher always locks the door if you come in late. So I actually don't really have time. did I sleep in though? If I hadn't slept in, I would have had more time, but I think it was worth it. Okay, let's do this, let's do this, let's do this. It's Monday, let's do this, yay! Okay, I'm sweating, fuck, sorry. Okay, let me shower and go to class. Okay, I'm done. I feel kind of good about my makeup. Oh, and this is how I'm dressed. So I want to put on this, like I've never worn this sweater before. So I want to try it out today, but I didn't remember to put it on before I did my makeup, so yeah, I don't know how this is gonna work. Success! Great success! Hey, love it. But I feel like it's too long. How do I I wish I could crop it. Okay, let me put on my I'm gonna put it on with this, and then with my Uggs, because it's actually so cold outside. Okay, let me rush to class. Catch up when I come back. Bye bye. Choose. Hey, I'm just from class. So I wanna make minced meat and rice. Yeah, minced meat and rice for dinner. That's it. Let's cook. Let's cook. Tomorrow I have work, but it starts at 10. So it starts at 12, so I have to leave at 10. So that's not as early as I normally do. So I'm happy about that. Happy. I don't have words, I'm so tired. Let's just make dinner and then wash my face and sleep. Okay, let's do this. Hata hebu mwambie chenye ulifanya. Good morning. Today I woke up early, so I had a slow morning. I just took a long ass shower, and then I'm having breakfast. I always have the same breakfast every day. It's always oats mixed with some heifer milk, oat milk, and peanut butter, and more yogurt on top. So this is always my breakfast every single day, unless I change, but most of the time it's this because it's simple and I can carry it to work. As you can see, this is the glass container I used to carry it to work when I go to work. But this is it's simple, it's fast. I make it every night and leave it in the fridge so that the next day I can just have it very easily. So yeah, having breakfast, then I head to work. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, let's eat and then head to work. my makeup came out real cute, but at this point I think I'm the drama, because if you ask me the reason why I'm late today, I really don't have a reason. I woke up early, showered early, did everything early, but I'm still like running late to run to the train. Okay, cheers, bye, another late day. Haha. Okay, so despite waking up early and doing everything early, I'm late again. At this point, I just have to accept the fact that I'm the drama. Yeah, and that doesn't help with anything, but I accept the fact anyway. Headed to work right now. Just see you in the evening.
Nächster Halt, Steinbach-Hallenberg. Ausstieg in Fahrtrichtung links.
Let it snow. Oh, to see a I like the daddy with no sugar. Coffee. I want a lot of money, like enough money to buy a country. Yesterday I made a lot of plans. I was like, today I'm gonna clean, I'm gonna go to the gym, I'm gonna do a lot of stuff and then film it all. But I woke up and my camera was like, yeah, you can go. My body was like, yeah, I'm not doing anything. So I've been so exhausted, so I slept in, decided to take my camera, turn it on and film. My camera was like, yeah, nah, not for me, not today, maybe another time. So I just didn't work, and so I'm just sitting here thinking, wow, what am I gonna do? But then I have to get up, I have to make breakfast and clean, at least do the bare minimum before heading to work. But I'm so tired. But yeah, the good thing is that tomorrow I'm not working the whole day, so I'll be home the whole day, at least. Thank God for that. Anyway, let's get to cleaning, and yeah. Whew. That's all I can say. I'm so exhausted. I worked on Monday. I had classes the whole day until 6. Tuesday I worked. Wednesday I worked. Thursday I had to go pick my resident permit because yay, officially I'm now 2 years. I have now 2 more years in Germany, like officially, legally, and then that's great news for this week. And then yesterday I had to work. Today I have work until midnight, and then I still have to edit this video and post it by tomorrow. Just thinking about everything that I have to do, I get so overwhelmed. But I guess this is the life that I chose. Anyway, let me get up. Let's clean. Let's do this. Okay. So yeah, breakfast is ready. I'm just gonna have it with some coffee and a side of a bit of marmalade. So this is breakfast.